Often in research, you'll need to locate scholarly texts. In this video, I'll show you how to access Academic Search Premier through Auburn University Library's website. First, we're going to navigate to Auburn University's library website, and that is lib.auburn.edu. We're going to go to Databases. Here, you'll see a huge list of all the articles and databases that you have that are available to you through Auburn University. So we're going to go ahead and click on Academic Search Premier. You may initially be prompted to sign in between the previous page and this one. Go ahead and sign in with your credentials, and then you'll come to this page. So we're going to search using our search terms from just some keywords that we've generated. I'm going to use fish, population, and sustainability. Next, I'm going to click search. This will produce a list of articles that it's more than I can even sort through. So what I'm going to do now is limit our results. I'm going to refine them. So I'm going to choose that I want full text options. I'm also going to choose that I would like for them to all be scholarly or peer-reviewed journals. One thing that's important to note about a lot of these search engines available through the library is that just because you find it through the library's search engine or through one of these databases, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's scholarly. A lot of these will also search for articles that are popular. So we also want to limit this by date. So I'm going to choose that I'd like for this to be between 2014 and now. So that's refining this search even further. And then I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to look here at this third one. You can scroll through all of these if you'd like. A lot of them this is sorted by relevance. You can also sort it by the date that it was published or the source, the author. I'm going to choose this source here because I know that it sounds interesting. I'm reading the title. It seems pertinent to my research. So I'll go ahead and click it. What we'll see next is a list of the authors, the journal that it was published in, all the information that I'll need in order to create a full and complete citation for this text. But what we're really here for is to read the text ourselves. So there are a couple different ways that you can access this text. One is by clicking HTML full text. What that will do is produce a page that doesn't have page numbers, but has a really readable format where you can read it as though it's a web page. You can also choose PDF full text. What that will do will produce a web page where you can actually download a document that is a PDF. So this is the PDF version of this document where you can see all the page numbers that are here. This will be important for creating complete citations within your text. Whenever you have a direct quote, you want to make sure that you indicate what page number it comes from if there are page numbers for that text. So here we have that PDF. We can also click this button to download this article. That way you can save it on your computer and keep it. That way you don't have to come back to Academic Search Premier and locate this text again should you need this in your future research. And if it turns out that this text isn't the one that you actually wanted, it's not one that you actually need, go ahead and click back to the result list, and then you can further refine your results, look at the other articles that are in this list, and hopefully find a source that's going to help you in your research.